Hi friends, this is Shanmukh. I am from SOSE University, SOSE University, Society of Software Engineers. So SOSE University just started Telegram group, guys. Okay, so this is very important. This is related to the jobs. Okay, for IT related jobs. So we are going to collect a lot of information from other sources like LinkedIn, Dice, Naukri. Okay, some from different job portals. We are going to collect the information, jobs related information for all the technologies across all the countries. We are going to collect the information, guys. Okay, so we'll mostly concentrate on India and USA jobs, USA IT jobs, and UK IT jobs, Canada IT jobs. Okay, Singapore IT jobs. Okay, and some other countries. So we are going to collect lot of jobs, IT related jobs information, and we are going to post in our group. Okay, you can see this is our group. So if you just go to Telegram, for this you have to install Telegram, guys, and simply type SOSE University. Okay, you can see SOSE University group, guys. Okay, you have to install it in your phone, and you can simply go to global search and you can type SOSE University. You will get this. So this is our group, guys. You can see, right? So all other jobs related information and all we are posting daily. Okay, so this you can see these job updates we posted yesterday, April 5th. Okay, so like that you can see for all technologies. Okay, not only for SQL DB or a specific technology, for all technologies across all the countries, whatever openings are there. Okay, all level of experience, like not a specific level, from freshers to all level of experiences. Okay, we are going to collect the information and we are going to post this job related information directly in our group. You can see these are the openings that we posted till now. Lot of openings are there across multiple IT companies across all the locations, guys. You can see here. You can directly join this group, okay, from your Telegram. Simply you have to go to Telegram. You have to install Telegram if you don't have it. Just type SOSE University in your search, so automatically you will get it and you can join, guys. Once you join, you can click on join button. Then once you join, daily you'll get job updates. Okay, and you can also find the links to apply for the jobs. Okay, you can see here. If you want to apply for this job, you can just click on this link. Automatically it will be routed to the respective job opening. So this is related to LinkedIn position, guys. You can see here. Okay, so program manager Oracle Fusion. So like this you can see. So automatically that link will be routed to your job application. So from that specific company or from any portal, job portals like LinkedIn or Naukri, it will be automatically routed. Okay, so very useful channel, guys. Please join in that channel. You will get latest job updates and you can apply for it immediately. And we are collecting from lot of sources. Okay, from LinkedIn, from Naukri, from Dice, from different job portals. Okay, and we are collecting from, and we are also collecting referral jobs in case in the LinkedIn, if anyone is posting referral jobs and all, or in our circle if you know any referral jobs and all, we are posting the referral jobs information in the group, guys. Okay, please make use of this group. If you want to join, simply, okay, this link will be shared in the video description, guys. Okay, t.me/SOSE University, or else you can simply okay, go to Telegram. You can download it. If you don't have it, you can install Telegram first and then you can search for SOSE University. You will get a group and you can click on that group name to join, so that you will start getting calls immediately, guys. Please subscribe to our SOSE University channel for more updates. Okay, thank you so much.